guys, what is up? Today is part 1 of the home network DIY vlog, and check this out. So we just moved here a little bit over a year ago, and the builder did put in these he did run Cat 5 all over the house, all the bedrooms and stuff. They didn't terminate anything. I had to actually terminate it myself, and I punched it all into this patch panel here. And you know, we first moved in, we're like, we need internet, everything needs to be on. So I just kind of threw things together, got it running, and it just sat. As you can see, it's a complete mess. So check this out. So the internet that we have here is this, we have AT&T fiber, so we do have gigabit, and it comes in through here. They left me some slack because I told them I'm gonna be kind of doing something different in this closet. Well, it's not a closet, it's gonna be. As you can see, it's just kind of under some stairs. Alright, so here I have this computer. It's an old HP workstation, and I probably should have the side on, but I've been messing with it. It's got a 4790 in it, Intel, and it's pretty good, but I think I might be doing something different with the server here pretty soon. On top, I got this TP gigabit, TP link, and it's a 16 port gigabit switch. I'm not really using it because I have this HP managed switch with 12 PoEs and then another 12 regular. So that's 24 ports, and that matches my 24 ports I have here. So since it's a big mess right now, and what I'm wanting to do is install a server rack. The problem is my server rack is too tall to get under this portion here, so I think I want to kind of have it coming further out. And when this gets all built, let's see. So when this gets all built, when I finish the basement rather, the walls are gonna kind of come out just a little bit further so I can clear this pole, and then it'll be a door here, and then the wall will go there. So in my server rack, I'm gonna have my home networking stuff, and I also do want to put some home audio stuff in there, because we're gonna do like a home theater or something down here. It's a pretty good sized area, so we're gonna do something down here like that. So let me show you the server rack. I forgot to show you guys this ASUS router. This is the AC88U, and I was very happy with the router, but it just does not work behind the AT&T modem / router. It just doesn't work well. I put it in a bridge mode or throughput, whatever I had to do. I mean, I spent a year messing with it before I just got fed up, and now I'm just using the AT&T stuff and a couple of their repeaters, and it doesn't give me nearly the options that the Asus did, but it is okay. I just don't like it because I spent all this money on these. I have another mesh Asus device that I can't use that either, so I'm gonna try to sell both of them on eBay or something. So here's the rack that's going in, guys, and like I said, it's tall. It's a 42U rack made by, what's that says, Winstead, and it's like 85 inches tall. And so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna actually cut the top of it a little bit. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but where I want to put it, the staircase is coming down like this, and the front of it I can actually have full height, but I want to cut it so it'll fit under the staircase, and put some bracing in here and just slide it right in place. So it's kind of what I'm gonna do today, guys. Okay, so this is kind of like a side view. So on the very back it's gonna be 69 inches, but then I'm gonna cut it straight, so it'll be it's gonna set back in there for 11 inches, and then it's gonna go at a diagonal to the full 85. And as you can see, kind of there's the stairs that I have there, and it's 32 inches deep, 85 inches tall. So we're gonna see if we can get this whole, get this thing shaped like this.
All right, guys, I started cutting on the back here. I couldn't really make up my mind if I want to use my jigsaw or my angle grinder, and I think I used a little bit of both. So once I got the back cut, I went ahead and drilled some screws so I could you know, put this bracing in here. I believe it's called a punched iron or punch zinc or something, I don't know. But anyway, I got those parts in, and now I'm cutting the top where I was marking it. Now I'm cutting it, obviously, and I got that out of there pretty quick. So I forgot to buy another piece. I didn't even think about the back, so I ended up cutting a piece of the rear of the original part and just kind of drilled some new holes and screwed that in. So I'll move the cars out the way so I can spray the new parts that I put in, paint them black.
All right, guys, it's all done, and be honest, it's pretty much a hack job, but you're really not gonna see the stuff that I did. Now I forgot to get more of this stuff here to angle iron this to go across the back, but this is actually better. It's actually a thicker steel. You can't really probably tell, but it's much thicker than this anyway. So you kind of reuse the original top, which is designed to be, you know, a cross member. So it actually worked out quite good. So when it's in the closet, this is actually going to be what you're going to see, and I think it's going to look fine. And especially once it's populated, you know, once it's populated, and I put the walls on the closet, I think it's going to look fine. And this area from here to here, it's basically just like a two-post rack. And I mean, they have two-post rack that hold a decent amount of weight. So just from here to here, I can actually put, you know, switches, routers, whatever, and I don't think it'll be an issue. But obviously I'm not gonna put a UPC up here. It'd be a bad idea. So the heavy stuff down here and lighter stuff up here. Pretty simple. All right, guys, so here it is. I've got it modified, and I got it in place. So as you can see, I mean, from just looking at the front, you can't even really tell it's been all hacked up. So when I get the walls put on here, you won't even be able to see from the sides, obviously. And I might put some kind of a panel there, even though there's gonna be a door here. Just, you know, stuff like that kind of irks me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put drywall on the inside of these walls or just keep it more of a utility space, but you know, who knows. I'm thinking I'm not, and I may just paint this wood and on the inside. But anyway, as you can see, there's a server rack, guys, and I think it's still plenty strong. I don't think I've really done a whole lot to take away its total capacity to hold things up. I think it can still hold plenty. So the only thing I currently have that's ready for a rack is this patch panel, and I don't have and since my switch isn't ready, my my Cat 5 cables, whatever you call those, they're not gonna fit. So just gotta wait. I need to get some rack ears for my switches and then figure something out with the server. I'm thinking about getting a 4U case and just swapping everything to it, and then eventually upgrading the server altogether to some better parts. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, go ahead, like it, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more to get this closet ready, and installing a lot of PoE cameras. There's a few lines I ran. I've got a camera and a couple of just network ports. I ran up to the foyer area, or entry area of the house. So there you go, guys. That's the modified server rack. Picked it up for $60. Got it modified for very little cost, and here we are. See you later.